Welcome to Global Economic Press, where we deliver trusted global finance and economic news, analysis, and reports, empowering leaders and investors with reliable, timely insights. I'm your host, Alex Brady. In today's episode, we're diving into the world of luxury skincare with a focus on a new product launch by B Naturals. This US-based brand is making waves with its innovative approach to skincare, introducing a product that combines the benefits of Bakuchiol and Niacinamide. We'll explore what makes this combination unique and why it's gaining attention in the beauty industry. Stay tuned as we unpack the science and the market implications of this exciting development. B Naturals, a United States luxury skincare brand offering antioxidant skincare products, sunscreens, anti-aging creams, facial cleansers, masks, toners, and exfoliators, introduces Retin BN Bakuchiol plus 7% niacinamide. The serum pairs Bakuchiol, a plant-derived compound from the seeds of Sorolea coralifolia, with niacinamide, a vitamin B3 derivative associated with reduced water loss through the skin barrier. Bakuchiol is described as retinol-functional rather than a retinoid, meaning it behaves like retinol while having a different chemical structure. Clinical research comparing Bakuchiol and retinol notes that Bakuchiol is positioned as a more tolerable option for reactive or rosacea-prone skin rather than a stronger substitute for prescription tretinoin. Bakuchiol comes from the seeds of Sorolea coralifolia, the babchi plant ground into pastes in Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine long before anyone sequenced a collagen gene. Chemically, it is a meroterpene phenol, sharing no structural backbone with vitamin A. The plant is no innocent since its seeds also carry sorolins, the phototoxic compounds behind some old folk remedy burns, but purified Bakuchiol leaves those behind. The phrase natural retinol, splashed across serum boxes, is shorthand a formulator would never write in a lab notebook. Inside the field, the careful term is retinol-functional. It behaves like retinol without being a retinoid. The distinction is not pedantry. It is the whole reason the molecule is interesting. Retinol is a precursor. The skin has to convert it, step by step, into retinoic acid before that molecule can dock onto receptors in the cell nucleus and switch on the genes that build collagen and speed cell turnover. Bakuchiol skips the conversion and never fits those receptors at all. And yet a 2014 study in the International Journal of Cosmetic Science found it activates many of the same genetic targets, including collagen types I and A3, plus the enzymes that govern how skin handles retinoic acid. Same downstream effect, reached through a different door. The comparison that put Bakuchiol on the map ran in the British Journal of Dermatology in 2019. The trial set a 0.5% Bakuchiol cream against 0.5% retinol, 44 people, 12 weeks, randomized and double-blind. Both cut wrinkle surface area and pigmentation by similar margins, the improvement arriving near the 12-week mark rather than overnight. The gap showed up in side effects, where the retinol group reported markedly more stinging and scaling, which is why the molecule rarely travels alone. The reactive skin shopper those trials favored is usually handed a Bakuchiol serum paired with niacinamide, a vitamin B3 derivative that cuts water loss through the barrier and reinforces the tolerability story rather than the strength one. Board-certified dermatologists who treat rosacea-prone skin read the trial the same way. Bakuchiol is the more tolerable option, not the stronger one, and nobody serious pitches it as a substitute for prescription tretinoin. The momentum has a regulatory edge most shoppers never notice. Commission Regulation, European Union, 2024-996 set new concentration ceilings on retinol in cosmetics, falling as low as 0.05% in certain leave-on products, with transition periods running toward 2027. Bakuchiol carries no comparable cap. That leaves formulators in Europe holding a compound that produces a retinol-like result and steps around the new limit in the same move. The shift from niche curiosity to default active owes as much to that asymmetry as to anything on anyone's face. Bakuchiol's real advantage was never that it does more than retinol. It asks less of the skin and of the rulebook.